Hi, my name is Gela from GelaInTheKitchen.com. Just few minutes ago at our local store, I saw so clever idea how we can decorate cheese platter for Thanksgiving. I get so inspired to make this video. Take a look.
I like this idea because every ingredient goes very well with crackers and cheese platter. To make my turkey tail, I'm using rice crackers. The tail we also can make from cheese, as you can see on the photo. Details you can find on my website. Few minutes and my turkey tail is ready. I'm cutting from my bell pepper hook like piece. It will be head and neck for my future turkey. I like this idea because we don't have to be artistic to make this garnish. My turkey is ready and now I'm going to cut interesting way cheese for my cheese and cracker platter. To cut my cheese, I'm using crinkle cutter. Another name for this garnish tool, also French fries cutter. These shapes with colorful cheese so impressive on cheese platter. As you can see, I try a few options of tails. And my favorite is still rice crackers, how they look. And another reason, less effort I put to make this tail. On the top, I added almonds and rosemary, and now my cheese platter ready to serve. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you enjoy it. And please remember to subscribe so you don't miss my new video.